I'm going to give you a detailed walkthrough of the Boss Pizza shop from the front door all the way through to the back. First things first, look at the signage. There's only 2 words on the signage, Boss Pizza. It just makes an impact statement. We don't need the address, the phone number, none of that's on there. All of that's going to be on the window. Then, 3 weeks before launch, we put these window skins on, £2 grand pizza offering. We've got the QR code so people can start to engage with the brand. Then, over here, this is perfect for me. I like double doors and I like them to be open. What that does, it just makes the store feel much more welcoming. When you do come inside the shop, you've got good visual and physical space. 1, 2, 3, 4 meters of space before you arrive at the counter. So it's nice, open and airy. And what I like here, we've got the screens above there for the menu. And then over here, we've got the special offer screens. We've got the branding, Eat Like a Boss, and the Boss Pizza wallpaper. Over here, we've got the main iconic feature wall in all of the shops, and the ceiling is always black. It really pops the branding, and just in this space it should be nice, airy, light and clean. Over here, this is my favourite part of the entire project, and that is the open plan kitchen and the fact that the customers can see right into the kitchen. That's got 2 benefits. One, it inspires confidence with the consumers that their pizzas are being cooked in a nice clean place. And secondly, it forces the kitchen team to make sure that their standards are exacting at all times, because they know people can see exactly what they're doing. And then over here, we've got the EPOS systems, and always we've got some branding of the latest deals or the latest offering. In this case, we've got new hot honey fries made with 100% real honey. As the customers can see their order, they're tempted to add in the hot honey fries. That's the reception area. Come on through. Just as an overview, it's bright, it's light, and it's airy. The ceiling is white, the walls are all clad with white wall, and there's tiles on that side. Over here is where the dough is actually rolled out in front of the customer, so they can actually see fresh dough being rolled out in front of them. Every single pizza we make is made with fresh dough. That comes over here. The screens are here. And this guy knows exactly we're making a 12-inch margherita, for example. That instruction will appear on the screen. Everything is paperless. There's no need for any paper slips. And check the size of this. This is substantial. And the idea is 3 people can be on the make line at peak times. This is very good equipment, and it's got a lot of capacity. So the pizzas are made here, and then they get shot straight into the oven here, and that's it. Then they just move on to the next order. And once the pizza goes in the oven, they just mark it as complete. And then the pizza comes out this side. We've got the cut table here, complete the order, and then we leave it here on the hot rack. And on the hot rack, the till team can take it for the customers over there, or it can be passed out here for deliveries. That's the general flow of the kitchen. And the key thing is, we've got this big double stack pizza oven here. This can output phenomenal capacity. We've got that here as a centerpiece in the kitchen, and we've got the hood right on top. That's the cooking area. Come on over here. We've got some side stations. We've got a fryer for all the sides. We used to do a lot of the sides through the oven, like the fries, etc. They were all right, but nothing beats fries that are done in hot oil. That's the customer-facing kitchen. This is behind the scenes. This is where the real magic happens. Over here, these are the 2 most important machines, and here it is, the mixture for Boss Pizza dough. We make the dough fresh in store every day. It's water, it's flour, and it's this packet, and this packet has got the Boss Pizza secret ingredients. There's only 2 people in the world that know what goes in here. So that's the dough. It's made fresh in store. Behind the scenes, it's all the refrigeration, the preparation counters, the sinks, etc. Refrigeration and freezers. Come on through here. Over here is the boss man's office. So this is the branch manager's office where he can sit and count his money. We've got WC in here. And again, just general pot wash area. Even behind the scenes, white wall, commercial flooring. It's all nice, clean, fresh, from the front door right all the way through to the very back of the shop. The standard is exactly the same. It's incredible. Now, these shops are designed to last for years. It's not just a cosmetic touch-up and cobbled together. This is properly put together, and the aim is going to be here for years. Come on through here. We've got a little storage that's got all of the dough mixtures and the sauce mixtures, etc. This is the Boss Pizza classic mix for the Italian sauce, and we've also got the spicy Italian sauce as well. This is a gold packet, that tastes good. That's for a palate that's a little bit spicier. Maybe the Asians or someone who likes a little bit spicier pizza, go for the spicy Italian base sauce. The menu caters for everyone. So if you're considering a Boss Pizza franchise, hopefully that's given you a little bit of insight as to the quality of the fit out and the standard of operation that we have. Thank you.